If this now bar does not appear on the lock screen of your Samsung phone, if you have updated your Samsung phone recently, then let us see how to fix the issue. The first thing is, go to settings here, go to this option lock screen and AOD, go to now bar, go to view more, and make sure you have selected the options that are given here. If these options are selected and if they are used, then only the now bar will appear on the lock screen. Now if you have updated your phone recently and if it is not showing, then in that case you have to wipe the cache partition of your Samsung phone. Now in newer models of Samsung phone like S24 or S25, you have to connect your Samsung phone to a computer using USB-C cable and then power off your phone. So I will connect my Samsung phone to a computer using USB-C cable. And select allow. After that I will power off my phone. Power off, and I will power off my phone. So once you have powered off your phone completely, then you have to press and hold this side button and then volume up button, and you have to leave those buttons only when your phone starts in an recovery mode. Wait for a few seconds. So once you see this charging status, then press this side button and this volume up button and press your phone. So continue to hold the phone and you will see your phone has started in Android recovery mode. Now once the phone has started in recovery mode, you will see some options here. You can press this volume down button in order to select the options below and volume up button in order to select the options on the top. Let me press volume down button and I will select an option here, wipe cache partition. Now in order to activate this option, I will press this side button. Then I will press volume down button to select yes, and then press this side button. So the cache partition from my phone is wiped out. No data will be deleted. And once the cache partition is wiped out, reboot system now is automatically selected. I will press this side button and the phone will reboot. Now once the phone has restarted, check if the now bar will show on the lock screen this time or not. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you found this video helpful.